Hi everyone, I'm Kate Wu. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to paint these ducks. Let's get started. I'll be using only just ink and one brush and orange color for this painting. Take some ink, test it on a piece of paper, make sure that you get a gradation, and start with the back of the duck and touch up with some feather. For the tail, I like it a bit fluffy, so I created a bit of split end and it looks soft. But it really is up to you, there's no rules, that's just the way I painted. And then the head. Now I'm gonna paint another one next to it. The reason why I'm doing it this way instead of finishing one and then paint another is because for Chinese painting, as I mentioned before, you cannot really cover the strokes. So you have to kind of plan it out on the composition and paint it in a sequence. And after the head, I'll paint the beaks. And I will show you how I mix the color and test it on a piece of paper. Take some orange, just a tiny bit of ink to create a bit of shades of darker orange. Now I will finish the form of the duck by painting the belly. Again, there is no rules of the way you paint the belly. It can be outlined like the second one, or you create a bit of shades like the first one. And then the duck's web. Now the fun part, which looks very easy, but it's very difficult. I like the nature a lot, so I would like to make this a bird sanctuary where you see a lot of weeds and lakes and some wild geese swimming freely in the lake. So I'm going to just paint that. The reason why I called it also difficult is because as you're painting a lot of strokes and making complicated compositions, one wrong stroke will ruin your entire painting, then you will have to start over again. The other thing that you have to pay attention is the shades or the gradient of the ink. Someone asked me if I pre-mix the ink or the color. My answer is no, I don't. I just use the fresh inks that I pour out each time, like what you see on this video, and make use of the water and mix it each time before I paint. Now I'm going to paint some reeds. I'll show you how I mix the color of brown using just orange and a bit of ink and create the split ends of my brush at the same time. Of course, you can also paint it with just ink, and which is what I'm doing right now, just like adding a bit of ink to create a variation of color on my painting. And the eyes are the last always. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and hit the bell button so that you don't miss out the next update. I will see you next time.